Welcome back into 642 on your Friday morning. Custody battles certainly happen from time to time, but can that happen with your pets? In Pennsylvania, a bill is trying to reclassify the way pets are listed in things like divorce proceedings. So this morning we're looking at that idea with attorney Dave Betras for Legally Speaking. Dave, good to see you as always.
Good to see you. And Pennsylvania House of Representatives passed the law, sort of a hybrid for a dog, considering it a companion animal, more than just, and I'm going to use a word out there, everyone, chattel. What is chattel? Here's your legal lesson today. Chattel is simply property under the law. So when you get divorced, lamps, couches, the court tries to divvy that all up. When it comes to dogs, they're considered chattel also. They're just considered property.
Yeah.
But what the Pennsylvania House of Representatives said is, well, now you could consider, was one person closer to that dog? Did one person take care of that dog more? Was it a service animal for someone? These are all things. Now it goes over to the Pennsylvania Senate. I think Josh Shapiro would sign it into law. Now, what people out there, first of all, if you're a dog lover, and I'm a dog lover, and I know a lot of our viewers are dog lovers, they become part of your family.
For sure.
When you get one dog, a lot of people just don't wind up getting one dog. They get a buddy for the one dog, right? And so, under the law, however, in most states, they're considered just chattel property. So if you got a rescue dog and you develop a close bond with that rescue dog, and someone negligently kills that dog, you get nothing. Nothing. Because you bought the dog for nothing. If you get vet bills trying to repair the dog, you could probably reclaim those. Now, there is a trend in some states that it caught on and then it slowed down, but I think it's gonna fire back up again, like in Hawaii, California, New York, Colorado has a version of it, that you can get some type of pain and suffering for losing it, because dogs really do become part of the family. People grieve when they lose a dog. I mean, not like grieve like for a human being, but grieve in the sense that they lost, you know, like a buddy. Like dogs, they're just so loving, right? They don't care what kind of a day you had. You come in, they're like, ah, I'm so happy to see you.
Of course.
You're going to have the worst day ever. And they're just so giving of their unconditional love.
So is that a little different looking at it? Because I mean, it is a living being. I mean, it's not like your couch technically. I mean it is, but it isn't.
Under Ohio law now, a dog is considered like your couch, like your fence, like your car. Someone hits your car and ruins your car. You don't get to say, oh well, I was really attached to that car. Dogs are not inanimate objects; they're living creatures, but for years and years and years, the law has been that you don't get any restitution for any emotional damage you may have. And I have had clients who have had dogs killed that had to go to counseling. That's how close they were to their dogs. And there are some people that are just lonely that have pets to fulfill something in their life. And so I hope that more states consider it. I don't think we should go crazy with it, but if you have a dog and you have children and the children grow up with the dog becomes integrated into your family, right? And someone, you know, you're in an auto accident or the dog's out or someone's not looking where they're going or another dog attacks it and kills it, all you can get is, well, how much did you pay for the dog? Well, I paid, you know, $1,000 for the dog. Well, here's $1,000. And it leaves people feeling emptied. So I really think that we should try to do something where we can almost create like a hybrid for animals. And I think it would get a lot of support because recently we just increased, you know, cruelty to animals.
Penalties,
yeah, and what's funny is when there's a case of cruelty to animals, you'll see hordes of people outside protesting it. But when there's a murder case, there's not a horde. It's sad in a way, like someone's life was ended. You don't see people, or someone was beaten. You don't see people outside the courtroom. But animal cruelty, it's something that people get all fired up about.
Absolutely.
And I brought the goodies from Landmark. Look at those things.
Told
right
we
there.
have,
Can we get a shot? Look, oh my God. Rafe over there. Look at Halloween.
Rafe hooking us up as always.
I'm going to have to figure out. I'll be back in the control room. I try to figure out who's going to pick what.
We shall see. Stay tuned. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you. Good to see you. Have a good
Coming up next, spooky sips.